Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Flowmaster's Outlaw direct fit muffler on this 2017 Ram 1500 with a 5.7 liter V8 engine. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we are underneath the truck by our muffler. We're at the front part of the muffler, and the first thing that we're going to do is spray our slip joint and our clamp with some penetrating oil. And that's just going to make it a lot easier to get this thing off. So now we're at the rear of the muffler, and we're going to have two pipes now that we're going to have to spray. Again, we're going to spray our bolts, we're going to spray our clamps, we're going to spray our slip fittings, and then we're also going to spray our two hangers back here that are right above our muffler, and that'll help us again to remove everything. So now we can use a 15mm and loosen the clamps at the rear of the muffler. Oh, that's tightening. So once you got your clamps loose, you can go ahead and twist your tailpipe back and forth. And you should start to see it pull out a little bit. And we're just going to keep doing that until we get it all the way out. So now we're at our rear hanger on our passenger side. And now your instructions say that you can pull this tailpipe from the muffler and just let it hang here, but we're maxed out right now on our hanger, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is just remove this tailpipe altogether. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this hanger with some of our lubricant, and then we're just going to pull that whole thing out. Alright, so I'm on one side of the tailpipe, I have a friend on the other, and we're just going to rotate this until it comes free. Alright, same thing with the other tailpipe. I'm going to be at the muffler side, I'm going to have a friend at the tailpipe side. And we're just going to pry on this a little bit. Again, you want to make sure you spray your hangers with lubricant. There you go. All right, it's about to come out. So now we're going to use a stand to support our muffler, and we're going to go ahead and remove the clamp to the front of the muffler. Now we're behind the muffler, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a crowbar and push our rubber mounts to our two hangers as far forward as possible. I'm going to do that to both of them. They should be nice and loose if you sprayed them with silicone or some kind of penetrating oil. So now we're at the front of the muffler again, and as you can see, it's still a little tight onto our inlet pipe. So what I'm going to do is take a rubber mallet and just lightly tap around the outside, and you'll see it slowly start pulling away from that inlet pipe. So now we're going to take our new muffler, we're going to slide the back hangers into the factory locations. Once those are in, we can go ahead and attach the front. Next, we're going to take our large clamp, slide that over the top of our inlet, and then we're going to connect our new muffler. Alright guys, so when you're sliding your muffler onto your inlet pipe, now there is going to be a notch on that inlet pipe, so you want to make sure you match that up with your new muffler, otherwise you're not going to be able to push it all the way forward. So once you are confident that you have your muffler pushed all the way in, we can go ahead and tighten down this clamp with our 15mm. Now we can take our two smaller clamps and put those on the pipes at the rear of the muffler. And we're just going to slide those all the way to the back. And now we can reinstall our tailpipes. So you want to make sure that you install your tailpipes the same way that you took them out. Again, making sure that you're lining up the notches in the pipe to the notches in the muffler. There you go. So once you have that in, you can put the rubber isolators back on, make sure it's all hung up, and then we can tighten down our band clamp. So once we got everything lined up, we can go ahead and tighten down our clamp. So now we can line up our other tailpipe, slide that in, rotate it as you need to make sure the pins match up. There you go. And once everything's lined up, we can tighten down our last clamp. Alright guys, that completes the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online. Thanks.